Yes. So yesterday we have discussed about how to move the functionality from one instance to another instance using local updates it. And moving the functionality with the XML. Today we are going to discuss about how to move the functionality using the local updates it with the other method called update sources. Update sources. Okay. So now sometime back, Anish Verma has asked me some question like on the problem form. Yesterday we have created one functionality called the creation of one section and added two fields in that section. But after 6 months, if after 6 months or 1 week, if your project manager is asking you to no, I don't want this functionality, then what will you do? Simple. Again, what will you do?
So manually we have to delete and upload XML again.
Exactly. No.
Kumar?
That's what I'm saying. Please concentrate. So again,
Okay.
this is called functionality, removing the existing functionality, right? So you have to capture
Yes.
removal of the also on the local update set. What will you do? You will create a local update set again as per our
Again.
Yes, you said version update. So rename.
no. It is not version update. Yesterday, what I told you. Wait.
Mm.
So, see, my instance is again as something.
Yeah,
Wait.
you rename the new update set with the new version.
Please wait. Let me tell. Right? I'm going to problem form. See, yesterday what I told you, version V2 is nothing but immediately after 10 minutes or no, after developing immediately on the next day, what he told, uh, by that time you have moved your local update set to completed status. After that, you are okay. So actually, the client has told you only to add root cause analysis, but not the budget allocation. By
Okay.
not the budget allocation, but you have moved the local updates to complete status. Update set. I will open update sets here. See, this is my update set. To add, see, this is a new section. I added two fields in this, right? So
Yes.
actually, yeah, in this one, my project manager asked me to add only one field, not two fields, not the budget selection. But unfortunately, by mistake, I have moved two updates, two fields in this section, and also
Okay.
I captured the same in my update set, and I moved the state to complete status. As per the best practice, you should not reopen it. You should not again move it to in progress. No, that is not the case here. So what you can do is again create a new one like this. And, yeah, I will copy this name, copy, create a new one. Okay, put it here and put like V2 version 2 and submit and make correct. Okay, submit and make correct. Go to your problem form, reload it. Submit and make current is done, right? Yeah. So in progress, submit and make current is there. You will reload it. Reload it. And I didn't save this.
Actually, that is the not correct form. Another one, sir.
Yeah, V2 is there now already.
No. New section. Yeah.
Yeah, in the
Two
new.
fields.
Yeah. No. I have created these two fields in this this local update set. I have created new section and moved those two fields.
No. You have taken the problem info one. Actually, you created the two fields one earlier.
Ah, okay. No. New section.
Above one, first one you have created yesterday.
So, okay, whatever. See, I'm just giving you example. See, here I have opened it. This is my local updates. I need to check which I am, see, if it is rounded off with the red color, then my update set is functioning. So now what I'll do is, in this V2 version, I will capture like this. Go to configure and form layout. I have to remove this budget allocation from problem information. So what I'll do, I'll go to problem information. I will remove this budget allocation and save the record.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So now what
Yeah.
I have done, if I reload it, it will get captured in my this thing, correct?
Yes.
So now what will happen? So I will again move this to completed status, save the record. That's done. So now, suppose if you have not moved this new section, that means version V1 and V2, then what will you do? You have to move the V1 first to the UAT, V2 next to the UAT. That means you have to move this update set in a specified order. That's the reason why our naming convention is this like this. Understand?
Yes.
All of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now what I'll do is I will move this V2 to the UAT. Yesterday you have seen how to move the local update set to next instance, that means higher instance via XML. Now I'll show you the other method. So wherever you want to move the update set, first you need to go there. That means on the UAT 71930. This is my UAT, correct? So here I will go to
Yes.
sources, update sources, open this. Okay, here you don't have anything removed. Now click on new, update sources, click on new. So here, put your number, previous number. That means this one, 12855. Dev 128,557. Home. Home. Where is my home? Yeah. Okay. Home. And delete it. So this is type is development. That is fine. URL. URL of the dev instance. Yes. Username of dev instance. Password of dev instance. Okay. Now click on test. That means we are establishing the connection between UAT and the production. Understand? So UAT and development.
Develop.
Right? Now I'm testing.
Yes.
Authenticator is failed. Password or something is failed. Okay, we'll check. I will add my password again. Now test the connection. Authentication failed. What is this nonsense? Let me check. Notepad. So this is what otherwise. Okay. Now I will save the record and test the application. Let me check. Not correct one. One.
In URL, last slash is there. No, because of that, we are getting that error.
No, I
sir.
have removed it. This not.
Okay.
Okay, let us do one thing. I don't remember actually my password. So what I'll do is I'll just change the password here. We know how to change the password. Administration. That's admin. Okay, now I've changed the password. I'm going to upgrade sources. Hey, something is missing. I don't know. Upgrade sources. One. This. But why? Is this not Uta? Check. Uta. Why? My version is like saved username or password. I am entering correct only. See, service at 123.
There was a pop-up that session was expired.
Which section? No. See? No. Range.
Might be the reason you are using Mauni instance and trying to get it from your instance, Kumar.
That's what I'm saying. That is what we are establishing the connection, no? We are establishing
Kumar,
connection between my instance, Mauni's instance, and my instance.
Kumar, I doubt it has something to do with the business rule because I have set rule on the incident table saying that if the your username doesn't have @, then you should pop out invalid or something like that during practice. I'm not sure if this
In this one?
in while I was practicing from the needed table, I did it, but
No, you
I don't know
did
if
it on incident table or something else.
I did it on incident or and need it if I remember it right. Yeah.
I don't understand what you're saying.
I applied some business rule on the incident or needed table, like previously when I was practicing, saying that just to check if someone enters the email address or something, they
Yeah,
should
I
have @
understand your
and so on.
point. But no, you said it is only on incident table, right?
Yes. I remember I did it on incident table, but not sure if something like this would be the reason for this happening.
Okay, can anyone give me the other instance number, please? Email address syntax validate. The table is need it.
Yes, Kumar.
That doesn't miss
So I
it.
think
No problem. Can anyone give me the other instance number, please, other than this 71390? Otherwise, we cannot move forward on this. Somebody has messaged me. Okay. 95441. Very good. Thank you. 95441. Okay. Something has happened. Oh, it is
Try
not
mine. Try mine. 140356.
140.
356.
140356.
Admin.
No, it is sleeping.
Okay.
Anyone, can you give me a number, please? I will try to do it on the other instance.
Sir, 143811.
Very good. Give me a second. It's password. Password, please.
The same service at the rate 123.
Ah. So now it is. Date sources. Copy this. Copy. Yes, connection is established. See, test connection. Connection is okay. Got my point, guys?
yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah, something is fishy with this instance. 71390. Yeah, Mauni, you have done something here.
Yeah, I don't
Don't
know.
know why.
Okay. Yeah.
I am entering correct password and correct. I was surprised, shocked actually. Why it is not? But sometimes, yeah, I know. The record is an edit application, but global is a current to edit. That is fine. So I'm removing this for now. Continue the session. Okay, guys, please treat this 143,811 as your UAT now. So what I'll do is, once you have established your connection between dev and UAT, if it is a production, you will go to production and establish the connection between production and UAT, guys. You need to remember it. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
If this is development, UAT and production, in the production, you will go to update sources and establish the connection between production and UAT. Okay? Try to understand. Now I will click on retrieve completed update sets. So whatever the completed update sets we have on the development, all will be retrieved into, all will be pulled into UAT here. See here, all 4 update sets, all 4 update sets pulled from the development to UAT. That means if you go here and go to local update sets, you click on it. Let us see, completed. See, all these are in progress, but completed update sets are 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So all 4 update sets came here. Now I am the developer here. My name is Kumar. I will touch only my update sets. If Mauni is there, Mauni is also developer in my project, SBA project. So she will do, or she will also develop some other functionality in the change management or knowledge management. So she will put in the PRB, right, KB. She will, if it is a knowledge management, she will put KB, knowledge base, and add some other name and put Mauni, whatever, MS, like, Mauni service, MS in the last wording like this. So I will not touch Mauni's update sets here because I don't know what she has done. She will not touch my instance because she don't know what I have done. Correct? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So now what I will do is, my new functionality is here. If I go to again, I don't think if I go to problem form, click on create new, leave it. Okay, other information is there. But problem information, I don't think problem information will be available, right? So now what I will do is, I will move all these 3 update sets. First is section 2 fields. Okay. I don't know what is this AI, but yesterday we have created, that's fine. New section, and we do all these 3 update sets I will move. Okay. So first I will open this one. Okay. I will commit the update set directly. %. Close it. I am going to problem form on the UAT 143,811. I will reload the form. I don't know what I have done in the AI.
Think we have created an analysis information.
Yeah, see here, root cause analysis.
A means analysis.
Analysis info. AI means analysis information. Correct. Perfect. Now, what I'll do is, I will move the next update set. Second update set, new section, open. Run preview again. 100%. Close it. Commit the update set. Close it. Reload the form. Now, created the problem information section and moved the root cause analysis and budget allocation. But now I don't want this budget allocation, right? On the third, this one, correct? So I will open the third one also. Okay, run the preview again. Close it. Commit the update set. Close it. Go to problem form again. Reload the form. See that budget allocation is resolved. So, but if you move the, you will move the functionality to the production also in the same way. In the same way, you will move the functionality. But what will happen is sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes because of something, when you have removed this budget allocation from the problem form, other information section is not visible. For some reason, you don't know. As a developer also, you don't know that why this other information is not visible. But after moving the functionality to the UAT or production, this other information section is not visible at all on the problem form. On the production, I'm telling you. Is it a big issue or small issue, guys? On the production.
Big issue.
Big issue.
Guys, are you able to understand, all of you, what I'm saying? Anish Verma, Shruti, Varma, Nirosha, Visharad, Hariprasad.
Mm.
Then what will you do? See, say for example, I'll just give you one layman example, guys. You have one mobile, Samsung mobile, some Samsung mobile. In that, 4 GB memory card is there. But your mobile phone will support up to 32 GB, that you know. But as of now, you have 4 GB memory card. So what you thought was, you want to expand your memory so that you have removed the 4 GB memory card and inserted the 16 GB memory card. Okay, inserted the 16 GB memory card and you are trying to restart your phone. But your phone is not getting restarted. But in another 5 minutes, you have a interview. You don't have other mobile handy in your nearby. To replace the SIM card, you don't have the other mobile phone nearby. Now, what will you do, guys?
Replace with the 4 GB memory card again. And
Yes.
Okay. Any other answers? Guys, did you understand my question?
We will try to hard reset the phone, like, force power start the phone and check again.
Okay. Even though it is not getting restarted. Now tell me.
Replace with 4 GB and then.
Okay. Any other answers? Anybody?
Removing the 16 GB.
Okay. Any other answers? Yes. So you will remove the 16 GB and add the 4 GB again. That means you are moving back the functionality or the settings to the old one. That means previous settings. Correct. That is called back.
Yes.
That is called backout. Back out the latest functionality, latest settings, and moving back to the previous version. Correct? That means here also, if you are after moving the functionality, if you find that any functionality is missing, then what you need to do is the culprit will be you need to again immediately you need to go to local update set on wherever the functionality is missing. Unfortunately, immediately you have to go to this. What is the latest update set here, guys? V2 is the latest one. Correct. Here you can see the time also 20, 1959, 1958. So 20 is the latest to them. So you will open this, the latest function, latest update set, and you will click on backup. You click on back out. Proceed with back.
Okay.
Close it. Okay. Now go to
Okay.
problem form. Yeah, problem form. Reload the form. So as per the last update set, what it is removing the budget allocation, right? Again, you have budget allocation available because the latest update set you have backed out. That means the previous functionality. Again, you came back, and if you see, you can see this. Refresh. The latest V2 version is not here because that is backed out. If you back out this, then what will happen on the problem form? This will not be available. Again, this section will not be available. This root cause analysis and budget allocation will be in the analysis information section, correct? AI section.
Yes.
I understand what is back out here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody, Anuja, Devi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the production, you have to be very cautious. Whenever, usually, every week there will be some functionality moving into the production. Somebody will raise the ticket saying that no, I'm not able to see this functionality. Immediately your mind should go to local update sets. You have to check whether anybody have moved the functionality to the production recently. Immediately go to local update sets and check for the update sets here, latest updates. Got it?
Yes.
Should ask me where is the backed out update set, then retrieve. If you go to retrieved update sets, you can see the backed out update set here. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the second one is merge update set. How will you merge the updates? Say, for example, merge update set. Yeah, here dev is there, UAT production. Naveen is there. I am the project manager. I have given 10 functionalities to Naveen to start developing on the incident form. And for Ritu, I have given 15 functionalities. For Soumya, I have given on the knowledge management, I have given 5 functionalities. But Naveen is very fast and the development should be done. I have given him on the 1st January 2022 for all of them, Naveen, Ritu and Soumya. The target date is by 30th January, all these 10 functionalities on the incident form and 15 functionalities on the incident form, knowledge management, 5 functionalities have to be in the production. That means by this target time, they have to move all this functionality to production. In between, there is a UAT also. So that means by 20th, they have to move to UAT so that the project manager or the client will have 10 days time to test the functionality. Correct. If they have any issues, they will let developer knows. Developer will again do something and move it back to UAT. Then client will test the functionality by 25th or 26th. Then on 30th January, at a time, on one day, they will schedule a time. On that day, they will move the functionality from UAT to production. Any confusion on this here?
No.
So here, merge update set means Naveen, I have given 10 functionalities to Naveen, 15 functionalities to Ritu, so 5 functionality to Soumya. So Naveen will is very fast as senior developer. He has completed all his 10 requirements, all his 10 requirements by 15th January. As a project manager, I cannot put him idle for the next 15 days or 10 days, correct? I cannot,
Yes.
yeah, I cannot sit him idle. I cannot allow him to sit idle for 15 days, even though he completed his work. So what I thought was I have given more 10 requirements to Naveen. and he has completed those requirements by 17th January. Even though the 10 requirements he has completed in by 18th January. Still, there are 12 more days to no for the next release. Next, what I have given for Navin, I have given now on the change management, I have given 5 requirements. So by 20th January, by 5, he has completed all the requirements and now he is fine. He has moved all the functionalities to UAT. But before moving it to UAT on 19th, what Naveen can do is instead of just update set 1, update set, see, all the Ritu, Soumya, Naveen is there, no? So Naveen has created all the functionalities in update set 1. Ritu has created her updates, her functionalities in update set. Soumya has created her functionalities in update set 3. Now, before on 19th January, what Naveen can do is he can update set to 1 and update set to 4 to update set to 5 or update 6. See, update set to 1 plus update set to 4. Okay. You cannot plus merge update set to 5 because update set to 5 is on the different table, change management table, not on the incident. Okay. So if you have same tables with 2 update sets, you can merge them. But if you have another table, you should not merge. You can merge it, but it is not the best practice. Why? Because once you move the update set to 1, merge once update set 1 and update set to 4 to the production and mode update set to 5 to the production. If you have any issues on the incident management, you will back out update set to 10. If you have any issues on the change management, you will back out update set to 5 only. Correct?
Yes.
So
If you merge update set to 1, update set to 4, update set to 5, and move to production, something has happened on the incident form. To back out all 3 functionalities. That means on the change management functionality also you have to back out. To avoid that situation, if you have after moving the update set, you will identify on which module it is affecting. If it is affecting on the incident form, you will back out update set 10. If it is affecting, if there is any issue on the change management, you will back out update set 5, which is made on the change form. Understand?
Yes.
Guys, Shruti, Srikanth, Swati, Varma, Vinay, Kamtam.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you need to manage. The third thing is, for some reason, see, say for example, I have got a new requirement on the change form. New form. Okay, create new. Change form. Okay. Yeah, this is the same. So here, again the same thing. Offshore, beside offshore details, I want to create change details a section. So what I did was right click on the header, go to configure, form details, and I've created one section called new. I went to new. Okay. I've created change details section. After creating this, I realized that I forgot to create local update set to capture this functionality. I forgot it. Now I realized. Then what will you do, guys? You will go back and delete the change. One is you have to go back to the section UI, section like this. Go to section form section, and yeah, change request change detail section is there. You will go here, delete it. You will delete it, come back again, first create local update set, and again create that same section called change details. Correct? This is one method. But you have created 10 fields, one section, email notification. After that, you realized that you forgot to create the local updates. Then what will you do? You will delete entire functionality. No, you cannot do it.
Mm.
So that's the reason why what I will do is I will go to local update sets now. Local update sets. Go to default global. Before I move, I click on submit and make it. What is the original one, guys? Default global is the correct one, correct?
Yes.
So I will open that default global one. Here I will have that you can go to create a date, yeah. See, created change request is there. Form section, form layout. So these two are the two we have to immediately after realizing you need to go to local update set, create one immediately. First create it immediately. SBI change management. CHG. What I have done? New section. Or what is the name? Change details. CHD details. Here. Now I will click on submit and make correct. Okay, I have created my one. Okay, what is this nonsense? Okay, change one new section. I will open it. I will copy this name, copy, and go to default global updates, default updates it again. Go to customer updates. In this change request is there, no? I will open this record. I will open this record. Come on, fast. Yeah. Here, okay. So in the update set, right now it is in default updates. Now I will remove this default one and paste my newly created update set. Save the record. What that means, what you need to understand from the default global, I am moving my customer update set to newly created updates. That means by default, whatever the functionality developments, removal, deletion, addition, whatever you do, by default, they will get captured in the default global updates. If you want to move the functionality, you will capture them in your own local updates. Now I will move it to the second one also. Like this. Save the record. Now if you go back to your local update set and reload it, your two customer update set have been moved from default global to here. If you are done with the development, you can move it to completed update set, or else you can continue from here. Now, if you have complete, no, you have in the middle, you realized that you have not created your local update set. Now you have realized you have created and moved from the default to here. Now you can continue on the problem form or change from whatever you want. I'll go to change form now. Create new. Normal. See, here I have created change. In this, I want to add some fields here. So now I will continue from here. Go to configure, form layout, and create and select that section, change details, and move some fields like business duration, closed, like this, and save the record. Go back to your local update set. This is the one, right? And reload it. Whatever you want. If you still have the development, yes. See, form layout only. Okay. In the form layout only, it will get captured. So what I'll do is I will create one more field here in the change details. Area. Right click on the headers, go to configure and form layout. Okay. Here in the name field, not name field, change details. I will create a field called cause notes, something like this. Cause notes. Add it. Save. And close it. Now again go back to newly created update set, reload. See, now you have field type and field label, cause notes, etc. etc. If you are done with your functionality, complete it. And whatever the method XML or update sources, whatever the method, you move it to next higher instance. Any confusion on this?
What was the best practice update set or update source?
Excellent question. This is what I am about to tell you. So here usually 99.99% we will use update sources. Then why there is XML? If unfortunately, if something goes wrong and there is a production deployment by 1st January 2024, some functionality has to be there on the production. But at that time, when you are moving the update set from UAT to production, update set is not, update sources functionality is not working. Then you have to use XML. Understand? Any other questions from anybody? Shrikant, Swati, Visarath, Nirosha?
No, sir.
All done? Okay, I will share this video with you in some time. I'm stopping the recording for now. And practice it, come back in the next class. Okay? See you later, guys. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.